Duckling, I listen, and for many a time I have been half in love with easeful death. Called himself names in many a mused rhyme to take into the air my quiet breath. Now more than ever seems it reached to die, to seize upon the midnight with no pain. While thou art pouring from my soul abroad in such an ecstasy, still wouldst thou sing, and I have ears in vain to thy high requiem become a sot. Thou wast not born for death, mortal bird, no hungry generation tread thee down. The voice I hear this passing night was heard in ancient days by emperor and clown. Perhaps the self-same song that found a path through the sad heart of Ruth when, sick for home, she stood in tears and the elm corn. The same that oft times hath charmed magic casements, opening on the foam of perilous seas and fairy lands, forlorn. Forlorn. The very word is like a bell to turn me back from thee to my soul self. Adieu. The fancy cannot cheat so well as she's femme to do, deceiving elf. Adieu. Adieu. My plaintive anthem fades past the near meadow of the still stram up the hillside, and now tills buried deep in the next valley glades. Was it a vision or a waking dream? Fled is that music. Do I wake or sleep?